In this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure or how to calculate the arc length of a circle. So if we have a problem like this that says the radius of a circle is 5 meters, what is the length of the 180-degree arc? So we're trying to find the length of this on the circle, okay? So first thing to do is understand the formula of an arc length, and it's equal to L equals M over 360 times C. So what do these terms mean? L equals the arc length, C is the circumference of the circle, and M equals the measure of the arc in degrees. So we know some of these things. We know that M equals 180 degrees, right? The measure of the arc in degrees is 180. Now we just need to find the circumference. Remember, the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 times pi times r. And we know that r equals 5 meters. The radius of this circle is 5 meters. So let's put that in. C equals 2 times pi times 5, which equals 10 pi. Now we can find the length of the arc. We could put the things that we know into this equation. So L equals 180 over 360 times 10 pi. And that leaves us with 5 pi meters. And you could just leave it like this. You don't have to actually calculate it out. So the length of this arc is equal to 5 pi meters. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.